Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So I have another unboxing. If you want to know where I got this order from, please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back. So I got this order from Milk Makeup. Milk Line. They had a sale going on their products, 50% off. So I picked up an item that I've been wanting to try out. So let's open up this box and I can show you. And if you're wondering, I am rocking this lip gloss from Juvia's Place, and it is called So Glazed, and it's the glass lip gloss collection, and that is what I'm rocking, and it's so pretty, you guys. It smells just like cupcakes. And I love the color. I usually don't wear color on my lips, but this is one of my first time trying it, I think. Yeah, in a gloss form, and it's so pretty. Very, very pretty. So let me get to this box from Milk Makeup. And the reason why I waited to order this product, because this product is expensive. I had to wait until I got it on sale. So when you open the box up, this is how it looks. Milk Makeup. Good ingredients, epic payoff. Live your look. Cruelty-free, paraben-free, and 100% vegan. Oh, and it comes in this little bag. Check that out. That's cool. Alright, so in my order, I ordered 2 items I ordered, and I got 2 items free. Yep. Okay, so let's see what I got. Okay, so the first item up, and it's just this bag. It actually was open. I didn't open it. It was actually already open. The first item up is this free item from Milk, and this is a headband. So this is the Milk headband. I got that for free. I won't open it because I might end up put it in the giveaway box from one of our upcoming giveaways. So I don't want to open it just in case I don't use it. So we'll see. Another free item I got is this one. It's the lip and cheek work Dusty Rose. I believe I already have this one, but I'm not sure, because I think it's a new color. I'm not sure, but I don't want to take it out just in case I do. But if you guys can see that color, that's the color right there, Dusty Rose. And this one you can put on your lips or your cheek. It's just like an eyeshadow blush. It's 2-in-1. So it's a blush, multi-usage. Yep, multi-use blush. So you can use it for a lip color or blush. Now, item that I did purchase is the cooling water, the cooling under eye depuffer, instantly energizes and smooths for refreshed skin. I got the small size, and it comes in this pretty baby blue packaging, which is very pretty. And I will be trying this out, so I'm going to take it out of the packaging to show you guys how it looks. And this is just for that puffiness under the eye that you get, like I have right now. That puffiness, just to help to kind of like depuff your eye. Make you look like you had some rest but you really didn't have it. So this is how it looks. I really like Milk packaging. It's just so pretty, and it has like a little sealant over it. So that is very pretty. I really like that. Hopefully the product works really nice for my skin. So far the makeup itself that I use on my 5-minute makeup challenge video, I'll link that up in the cards if you guys haven't checked that out. It actually did not do anything to my skin, did not harm it or anything. So the makeup products actually was fine, as well as lip balms, because I have the lip balms and lip glosses as well. And the item that is the main reason why I ordered is this item right here, you guys. This is the vegan milk moisturizer. Yes, this is the moisturizer. I wanted to get this item for a minute now because, yeah, I wanted to get the moisturizer. I have the cleanser, which is in the room. I use it from time to time, but I wanted to try the moisturizer. And this big jar here, I believe it costs $38, retail price $38, and I got it for half off. So yes, I cannot wait to try it. I love the packaging, how it's see-through like the other packaging. I love this color, like a lime green yellowish color. I love that color. It's very pretty, but the product itself is what I wanted to like try. Very beautiful packaging, and it comes sealed as well. Have a little seal on there. Ooh, very creamy, very creamy. It doesn't smell like, it smells like lotion to me, but it's a facial moisturizer, so I am ecstatic to try that. And once I do, I'll let you guys know how I like the product. So yes, I finally got my hands on this item. This item is very costly. They do have it in the smaller size, but I feel like if it's really a great product, I would love to have the full size. Yeah, I would love to have the full size, because the small size I would go through so quick. At least I think I would, but yeah. So yeah, I just ended up just getting the big size. So I really like this packaging, and I went with the big size as well because so far all the products that I have used from Milk Makeup line has not breaking out my skin or anything of that nature. So I'm like, okay, everything else seems to work pretty good with my skin. I haven't had really no problems, and I only used the Milk Makeup line one time, and that was in that challenge video. And I used the lip gloss and the balms often, but not the makeup. I only used it that one time. But the cleanser I do use. I don't use it every day, but I do use it. And so far it has not done anything to my skin, which is a good thing. So yes, guys, this is the main reason why I ordered this this milk product unboxing. And then I actually wanted to try the depuffing for my under eye, because I always have puffy under eyes, always, and they always like kind of like a little dark. And instead of covering up with makeup, I really just get something that can help me with it, because I'm not always getting the most sleep that I need due to the fact that I work overnight. So maybe this can help me keep the puffiness down some. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video with Milk Makeup line. Like I said, any of the products that I don't use or I have double of it, it will be going into a giveaway box for one of my next upcoming giveaways. Don't know when we're gonna do another one, but yeah, it'll go into a giveaway box soon or later. But definitely give this video a thumbs up if you like this video and this content. Please leave a comment down below. That's Philly, guys, just giving a thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below if you have tried this product. If you have tried this product, let me know what you think about it. And if you have had any problems or reactions to the product itself, let me know what you think. And you tried milk before. They really got me when I saw them in Marshalls and TJ Maxx because of the packaging, you guys. The packaging is like an eye catcher. So that what attracted me to it. And I've been looking for this outside of I believe Sephora carries them outside of Sephora for forever, and I can't seem to find this anywhere. I found the cleanser at Marshall and TJ Maxx, but this is only at Sephora or Milk online, Milk Makeup online. So yeah, If you are new here, welcome. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel before you leave. And if you do subscribe, please leave me a comment down below that you are new. Subscribe here, and I will come back over and check out your content. And if you are promoting good here on YouTube platform, I'll be more than happy to come back and support. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Wait.
See you on the next one.
Hold up. Make it to 1,000,000 likes.
If you guys don't know who that is my second oldest son, Philip. He's actually doing homework right now, so he's like in the video, out of the video. So he just wanted to say 1,000,000 likes, you guys. Let's make his wishes come true. All right, until next time. Bye, guys.
Later.